Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Pentax WG8 all-weather camera, a rugged camera built to withstand the toughest conditions, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. With its unique features and durable design, this camera is ideal for those who want to capture high-quality images and videos in any environment, whether it's on land or underwater. Let me break down the specs. The Pentax WG8 is powered by a 6-core processor chip, and it features a 3-inch LCD display with a resolution of 460,000 pixels, brightness of 400 nits, and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The camera has a 16-megapixel sensor for gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 128 gigabytes with a micro SD card. It weighs approximately 213 grams and measures 122 by 62 by 32 millimeters. The camera runs on a 1,350 mAh battery, which provides up to 6 hours of continuous shooting, and it supports fast charging at 5V2A with a charging speed of 10W. The camera also features a waterproof and dustproof design with a rating of IP68, and it can withstand drops of up to 2 meters and temperatures ranging from -10 to 40 degrees Celsius. Additionally, it has a GPS module, Wi-Fi 4.2, and Bluetooth 4.0, and it supports remote shooting and image transfer. The camera also features a built-in flash, and it supports ISO levels from 80 to 6400, and it can shoot videos at up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The OS version is not specified, but it has a micro USB port, a micro HDMI port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. In real-world use, the Pentax WG8 performs admirably, with a battery life that can easily last a full day of shooting, even with heavy use. The display is also surprisingly visible in sunlight, and the camera's speed when multitasking is impressive, with minimal lag when switching between modes. The build quality is also excellent, with a rugged feel in hand that inspires confidence, and the audio quality is decent, with clear and crisp sound. The camera's weight and size make it easy to carry around, and the ergonomic design fits comfortably in a hand. Real-world reviews praise the Pentax WG8's ability to capture stunning images in low-light conditions, with excellent color accuracy and minimal noise. Users also love the camera's durability, with many reporting that it has withstood rough handling and harsh environments with ease. Additionally, users praise the camera's ease of use, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and adjust settings. However, some users report that the camera's autofocus can be slow at times, and the video quality is not as high as some other cameras on the market.